What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and finally today we're gonna be doing another unboxing video. I know I haven't posted anything just because I just can't cop anything lately, but you know, finally we copped something today, and I do believe that this is an early unboxing for people who lives in the States. The shoes has not released in the States yet, and it's gonna release soon, I believe sometime in beginning of August, but you know, in Asia they have released already, and we're gonna check it out if it's worth to cop, or you know, it's gonna end up sitting on a shelf at the end of the day, because it's a pair of Jordan 12. It's right here, and this is just something I don't get about today's sneaker culture. It's like Jordan 12 is one of the most well-known Jordans, and it's one of the most iconic Jordans out there as well. You know, just no one cares about it. But anyway, I do believe that this pair is gonna end up sitting on a shelf at your local malls, or whatever you got where you live. The shoes today is gonna be Jordan 12 Stealth. Looking at the box, I do believe it's pretty special. I mean, I own a Jordan 12, so I don't really know what the shoebox looks like, but it kind of looks like the old, like 90s, early 2000s Nike box, I think. But yeah, Jumpman logo right here, and on the side you can see it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. I don't know. Are they gonna put those on LeBrons in the future? But yeah, let's open the shoebox. But like what I said, there's not that much hype around this pair, so you know, I do like the paper though. Feels nice. Damn, the Jordan 12 Stealth colorway. Let's take it out. Boom, right here. First impression, the quality aren't that nice, to be honest. I was expecting better, because I've heard that the quality on Jordan 12s are always decent, like pretty nice or above average, but I don't feel the quality is that nice on this pair. I know they do look decent, but see, like the tumble leather, you just don't feel the soft tumble leather, you know. It's like pretty stiff. There's nothing moving at all, you know. You don't feel the soft at all. But the side, if this kind of material gives me, like, you know, the basketball, like skin, whatever, it feels like a basketball. And I do like this on the side. It says Jumpman on the side. It looks pretty cool. Looking at the back, ooh, that's something super cool. You know, the 23 Jordan Jumpman logo. I think that's a cool detail right here. Look at the shoe tongue, the little Jumpman logo. I think that's pretty cool. And it says 223. I think it says 23, but I'm pretty sure it says it's 23. That's cool, small details, like what I said. Also the silver little Jumpman logo on both sides of the shoes. I think that's pretty clean as well. Looking at the outsole, we do get the hairy bone design. I think that's pretty cool, honestly. Jumpman logo right here. So looking right in here, just like the Jordan 11s, they do have the carbon fiber below, you know. Let me grab I have a Jordan 11. Let me show you real quick. This is like what I said. They both use the carbon fiber on the bottom. And yeah, this is my cool gray. I love this pair. Just haven't found the right time to unlace this pair, you know. But anyway, coming back, I do believe this will be a really good indoor, maybe outdoor hooping shoes. Overall, there's just not that much stuff to talk about. You know, it's a Jordan 12. It's a pretty unique design. If you like it, you're gonna like it. If you don't, you're probably gonna think this pair is ugly. In my opinion, I think it's a cool shoes. Not a big fan of it. I feel like for old school sneakerhead, you're gonna appreciate this pair a lot more than, you know, people younger age, or maybe like me, who did not get to watch Jordan play, so you wouldn't really feel about this shoes. But anyway, the colorway is super clean. I mean, I do see this colorway go along with lots of outfit. You know, it's kind of like the cool gray, but not like all the way cool gray, but it's a little different, but it's almost cool gray. It's a simple colorway. It's gonna go with lots of outfit. I'll put it this way. After this, I have something a little extra for y'all. As we all know, the sneaker resale market is down, so I did go out there and found myself a pair that I have always wanted it, but I was able to cop back then. So, you know, I do feel a little regretted, but because it was pretty expensive. But you know, I was thinking either cop the most recent release or the previous model. But you know, as you can see the colorway on my hat, you already know what kind of shoes I'm talking about. It's the Travis Scoot Fragment Jordan 1. I've always wanted this pair, but there's no way in hell I'm actually gonna cop for retail. But since the sneaker market's down, I did get a pretty decent deal for this pair. Yeah, like what I said, I was deciding either going with the reverse mocha or the Fragment Travis Scott Jordan 1. I love the Nike swoosh logo, and yeah, the cactus jack, and on the other one you got lightning bolts as well. But overall, it's still, I love this pair. But anyway, this is probably gonna wrap up the video for today. This is the unboxing for the Jordan Pro Stealth. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram as well. And I hope you have a good rest of the day. Peace.